Hey everyone, these are the colors that I'm going to be using today, and I'm going to fast forward the process because I know you already do anyway. I'm using leftovers from another pour, and I used also a glue and water medium for it. I'm not a fan of the glue, but that's what my friend was using, and so that's what I decided to use as well. So now I'm gonna do my flip cupping here and see what comes out. Now I'm just gonna put some white around. The white does not have any additives to it. It's just paint and medium, that's it. And let's see what comes out. 1, 2, 3, there we go. And I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. So I'm going to apply a little bit of heat in there. And I really like it, but right off the bat, I'm already seeing some crazing in my paint, and that right there in that area. And that's my experience with glue. I envy those who make beautiful works with glue, and I just for me a glue medium is hit and miss. So I'm just going to tilt this and I'm going to show you how it looks like once it dries. As you can see, this pour is taking me a little bit long to upload just because of, I call it my mist of darkness, because I didn't know how to fix it. So here it is, it's already dried, and I've decided that I'm going to thin out some white, and I'm going to add white in the areas where it crazed a little bit, like that spot that you can see. And so I'm just going to touch it up, and as you can see, I just in the edges in there, I just added some paint based on the color, the predominant color in the side. So I'm just dipping right now, and pretty much just filling up the color. And I always like to show you guys how it dries. And so this is for me a teaching, that a lesson once again, that when we embrace a challenge, we just make the best of it, and then we are going to feel better off after that, because I have so many things I want to get done, and because of this pour, I haven't. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of white in that dark area, and I'm pretty at peace with it. I think I like the color combination, and now I'm going to varnish it and show you how it dried. All right, here it is. It's already been varnished. And as you can see, that little bit of white just enhanced it a little bit more. And I'm glad I went with my instinct and worked with the flow that the paint gave me. Thank you so much for joining me today. And don't dwell on your challenges, guys. Rise above them and feel better about yourselves. There is just too much to do in so little time. Till next time, keep pouring.